What you're looking at right now is a wall charger. A wall charger with a screen on it. Because we now live in a world where screens are so incredibly cheap that the thing plugged into your wall needs to communicate with you now, emotionally, in real time. This is the Anker Nano Charger 45W smart display. And yes, that is its legal name. It retails for around $30, which for a wall charger should feel insane. And yet, here we are. So, as you can see, this thing is pretty small. It's got a foldable electric plug prong, and it's available in 4 colors. Black, light blue, and a cosmic orange that comes fairly close to matching the iPhone 17 Pro's cosmic orange. Overall, it's a handsome little device that's not too surprising considering how good Anker is at design. And it's 1.6 inches by 1.3 by 1.4 inches. It weighs less than 0.2 of a pound. And Anker managed to cram the GAN technology, a smart display, and iPhone recognition into this. It's frankly a lot of audacity for trying to squeeze that much into something that's about the size of a golf ball. The engineering required to do this is pretty impressive. 3 stacked circuit boards inside, thermal gel between components. It's basically a tiny technological marvel wrapped in matte plastic. Let's start with the headline feature, the display. Anker calls this thing a smart display. It shows you the charging wattage, the temperature, your battery percentage, and I want you to really hear this, fun emojis. Your charger will now show you a smiley face while charging your phone, like it's, proud of you for plugging it in. It also displays over 20 different statuses and animations, including a little celebration animation when your battery hits 100%. Is it overkill? Is it first world problems, champagne problems, whatever you want to call it? Absolutely. But now your wall outlet is celebrating your charging achievements. Your charger now has a bit more personality than some people I know. And here's the thing I hate to admit, but the display actually is useful. Like when you plug something in and the screen shows you that you're only pulling 8 watts, well, you immediately know that your cable is garbage. The charger is basically ratting out your cheap Amazon cable in real time. It's a snitch. A little tiny helpful snitch. Here's where it gets more interesting. You plug in your iPhone and this charger, this little cube the size of a large walnut, recognizes your phone. It reads the model, it displays your battery percentage, and it knows your iPhone better than you do. It supports the iPhones 15, 16, and 17 series, plus USB-C iPads. If you have an older phone, don't worry, it'll still charge it. It just won't acknowledge it, like a bouncer who lets you in but doesn't make eye contact. Anker calls this feature smart iPhone recognition. Apple calls their phone-to-accessory communication proprietary tech, but I call it a charger that's figured out more about your device in 3 seconds than your IT department did in a week. Of course, it will generally recognize some other Apple devices like older iPads, but I wasn't able to get it to recognize my MacBook Pro, which was kind of weird. Every other device I tried, such as some of my rechargeable flashlights, wireless microphones, my Beats headphones, even my Sony a7R III camera, it charges all those just fine, but doesn't recognize the devices on screen. Let's talk about the prongs. This thing has a 180-degree dual fold design. The prongs fold down flat, or they swing out to the side, or they face forward like a normal charger. This matters because sometimes you're in a cramped hotel room where the outlet is behind the nightstand, and you're basically just doing yoga just to plug in your phone. The prongs on this thing can rotate into whatever position your chaotic outlet situation demands. It's like a charger doing, a backbend for you. Flexible, cooperative. It should actually be the standard on all wall chargers, to be honest. Let's talk about the 2 charging modes this little guy gives you. First, there's auto mode, which is essentially going to charge whatever device you've plugged in at the maximum safest wattage. In auto mode, your iPhone will be charging at or around the peak of 45 watts. Care mode, however, is different. And this is where I guess Anker got a little bit philosophical with this device. You see, fast charging is great, but fast charging generates a lot of heat, and heat degrades your battery over time. So Anker built a mode that charges your phone slower on purpose to protect its long-term health. You double tap the tiny button and it switches to care mode, and the charger literally chills out. It keeps temperatures up to 36 degrees Fahrenheit cooler than international safety limits, and your iPhone's battery stays about 9 degrees cooler than it would with a regular 45-watt charger. In care mode, a full charge takes roughly 10 to 15 minutes longer. So yeah, you're paying $30 for a charger that's proud of doing its job in a battery-preserving kind of way. I have to say, I respect it. This is definitely a niche product with kind of a niche philosophy. It's basically the charger equivalent of, that friend who says, I carry all the groceries in one trip, but that's not doing a lot for my back. Correct. Wise even. Okay, you want numbers? Fine, numbers. 45 watts output can take an iPhone 17 Pro from dead to 50% in about 20 minutes. That's pretty fast. That's the kind of fast, I have a meeting in 25 minutes and I forgot to charge overnight fast. It can also handle iPads, maxing out at around 43 watts on an iPad Pro, which is conveniently as much as the iPad can even accept. Can it charge a MacBook? Yeah, technically. Will it be fast? No. Think of it like trying to fill a swimming pool with a garden hose. The hose works, you'll eventually get there. And look, in the real world, you're not always going to see 45 watts. The actual wattage depends on your cable, the device you're charging, and the three-way negotiation between all of them that nobody fully understands. The good news is the display will tell you exactly what's happening, so at least you can be, frustrated with full transparency. So, should you buy this? Well, if you have an older charger that just, charges things and you're fine with that, you're probably okay. You don't need a charger with an emotional journey. But if you want something that charges fast, tells you exactly what it's doing, cares about your battery's long-term well-being, fits in any outlet at almost any angle, and critically celebrates with you when you hit 100%, then yeah, this is your charger. It's $30. It's the size of an ice cube. Its name is a paragraph long. Its prongs fold, its screen emotes, and it knows your iPhone's name. It's the most extra wall charger ever made. And somehow, it earns it. I give it a 8.5 out of 10. It's a certified tiny legend. All right, that's it for my review of the Anker Nano 45W smart display charger. If you want to pick one up, I've left a link in the description below. And if you like this video and want to see more gadget reviews like this one, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.